First up, we're headed into the hills of Los Angeles.
Hi! We're so excited to see you.
Are you excited? Come outside. Let's talk about the outside of the house, shall we?
Let's look. You'll notice a lot of sort of mixed materials.
Yes.
The previous owner was an engineer, so there's a lot of sort of mad scientist vibes.
I'm Christina, I'm a photographer, and this is Evan, and he's a designer, and we own this linoleum ranch in Los Angeles. The ugly on the outside is not even close to the ugly on the inside.
This house was described as cozy, quaint, and eclectic, and it was on the market, I think, for 800 days. We bought this house because it has an amazing view.
Yeah.
When a lot of people see ugly, we see potential. And ugly.
Oh.
This is it.
Oh, okay.
This is the kitchen.
Is it linoleum on the wall?
It's
Yes.
floor linoleum on the walls.
Oh, boy. Linoleum, linoleum, linoleum. Beetlejuice. Oh.
Welcome to our dining room.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a lot to take in.
Yes.
I mean, yikes.
The linoleum won't stop.
It's tough.
It's tough.
The guy who built this house, here's the thing. I really feel like he thought he was designing this place. So where are we headed next?
We'd love to show you our bathroom.
We're gonna follow the linoleum. This is the main bathroom.
Oh my, I can't with the linoleum. Literally, I feel like I have vertigo. It's so close to the wall.
Now, Retta, where is the toilet paper?
Wait.
You have to find it.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, there- Guys, this is sad.
These are defined in like the 60s or 70s as rompus rooms. This is the beginning of where people kind of lose orientation.
This feels like an optical illusion. Am I going down, or is it just that? And it's different floors on the different walls.
Yeah. There's.
Come on.
And of course, our mirrors, if you want to
And
just...
then just.
Well, mirrors, yes,
Epic.
of course. If there weren't mirrors, I'd have been like, losers. As for appearance, I don't know what else to say, but linoleum, linoleum, linoleum. As for function, you can't function when you're in a constant state of vertigo. The trouble with this paradise is that it's ugly, sitting on a hill, looking at paradise. Let's see what else they got around here. Now we're headed to Northern California to uncover some lakefront ugly.
So welcome. This is our ugly kitchen.
I think your kitchen is tight. Yeah, it's real tight.
The floors aren't even, the cabinets aren't even. And we probably want to cover up the ceiling.
We had to tape it because bees kept flying through.
Okay, so what else do you want to show me?
Come this way. So this is our living room with wood paneling walls everywhere.
Hope you like paneling. We got a lot of it.
I don't love it because I have plenty of it at my parents' house.
Well, that's kind of the feel that we have here is we're living in our grandparents' house.
Right, you're like 7 and your mom and dad have to go away for the weekend, so you're going to Grammy and Grandpa's.
Everything is pretty much left here from the previous owner.
You need to take these things to the flea market and make some loot.
There's 2 bedrooms up here and a shared bathroom.
We're still killing it with the red rug, the red cabinets.
Red cabinets.
Did you guys bring the red towels, or they left them in it because that was part of the
This
look?
is part of the look.
Yeah.
It's not horrible. It could be worse.
It's horrible. We gotta go back down them steps.
I'll spot you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for going up there. Everyone down?
Oh boy. But this is a good view.
The view. That's what sold us.
You can get access to the beach.
Want to show you.
Oh, would you look at that? It's a big lake.
It's a very big lake.
Very true.
As for appearance, is there anything worse than blood red carpeting? It's even in the bathroom. Functionally, I mean, if you gotta use a 2x4 to hold the staircase up, it's not functioning. And the trouble in paradise factor, it's all about that beautiful lake that's being ruined by this hideous house. Let's see what's next. Let's take it up a notch and head 4 hours north to Grants Pass, Oregon. Oh! The lazy A.
Hi, Retta.
Beth and Casey. Hey, let's go outside and talk about the front of the house,
Yeah.
please. Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's the mushroom bush. You're gonna have to work around that.
Walking up, I was like, it looks like the house is leaning, and then I just realized it was just this
Yeah.
piece.
That is the design of the house. It was designed in 1980 by a mushroom scientist.
Okay, and explain the shape.
It's a passive solar design. So the outside room is a solarium and the windows are slanted to get more sun. Oh. Yeah. Welcome.
Oh, wood.
Yeah.
This is what we call the solarium. So this gets hot in the summer, and the actual place where we're living
Stays cool.
Stays cool.
Oh, okay, so it's just an empty space.
It's just an empty space.
With some mixed match curtains.
Yeah.
We even tried putting plants in here, and most of our inside plants think it's too hot in here.
What is the point of having that hot ass space? Especially if you can't grow plants in it. It's useless.
Next, we're gonna head into the open concept living room, dining room, kitchen. Just about the most dysfunctional you can get with an open concept. Everything's kind of smushed right up against each other.
There's so much property and so little house.
Casey says sometimes he feels like he's like in the hull of a ship.
Yeah. You have this view and you can't see it. That's some bull. I don't know what's happening on the floors. There were tiles here.
The owner before us, there was a leak that they discovered.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Where are we headed next?
To one of the most unique rooms in the house.
Oh
Yeah.
man. Built-ins?
Yeah. Yeah. You can push it in though and see where,
Oh,
where
God.
it takes you.
No.
Yeah.
Stop. Is this a bomb shelter?
We think this might have been where he was growing the mushrooms.
Wow. But he also hung his clothes in here. Appearance-wise, this house is a hot mess with a useless solarium taking up valuable space. As for function, it's a bad sign when going to sleep involves having to shimmy into your bed. But the main trouble here is that you can't even see the 20 acres of paradise on the outside because you have no windows. We rounded out the ugly for real in the Pacific Coast. Who's the ugliest? Hi guys! Hello. Hi. So we just wanted to do a little housekeeping and let you know that you have the ugliest house in the Pacific Coast region.
Seriously, freaking out.
I mean, all that square footage of linoleum really pushed you into the lead, guys. I know it's hard to hear that you're the ugliest house, but it does put you in the finals.